Firecy and Icy aren't just orbs. They're walking drama. Firecy wakes up like, "Let's burn the world!" And Icy's like, "Bro, it's 7 a.m. Firecy talks fast, moves fast, and probably melts fast food, too. Icy? He's the chill one, literally. If you told him a joke, he'd need 5 minutes to defrost his laugh. But together, they're unstoppable, turning beats into a volcano blizzard mix that somehow works. They argue, they roast, they freeze each other mid-sentence, but deep down, they'd never spin without each other. Firecy and Icy. Total chaos in 4K. One moment they're vibing, the next they're arguing about who melted the power button again. Firecy says it was creative heat. Icy says it was reckless stupidity. But that's what makes them awesome. 2 personalities, one spinning mess of energy. And hey, if you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Oh, and one more thing. Somewhere in this video, we hid 2 tiny Sprunki figures. Can you spot them both? Write in the comments where you found them. Firecy will be impressed, and Icy might even crack a smile.